Welcome to TM 2.0's correlation page, or what I would like to refer to as the most underutilized portion of the platform. With the correlation page, we can leverage it to create uncorrelated portfolios that are delivering returns in a bull market, in a bear market, or even a gray market where we're just trying to figure out where it's really going. Now, with the correlation tab, we're able to see tokens that we're most correlated with in the top 100, as well as across all tokens, and on the inverse, the lowest correlation, top 100, as well as across all tokens. Now, a lot of people would go into Ethereum and probably start off with Ethereum, Chainlink, Binance, just to get some blue chip names. But what they might not know is that they're all three highly correlated together. Now, they might all run together, and that looks fantastic when all three are just in the green. But there will be some days where they're all three going down, and that could definitely hurt your portfolio big time. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're very spread out across investments, so that way even when those three are going down, we might have an asset or two that's going up, so that way it's offsetting the gains and maybe still even making profits during that time period. So we're able to utilize this correlation page to find out what we're correlated with. So if I was personally creating a portfolio, yeah, I might select Ethereum and I also might select Cardano, but then I'm going to balance it out by selecting the bridge token and baby BNB, so that way when Ethereum and Cardano are going down, most likely the bridge and baby BNB are on the way up, so that way my losses are offset by gains in another sector. So I hope that explains correlation for you. The closer you get to zero, the better. And I can say that we also leverage this within our AI generated indices. So obviously those have been delivering fantastic returns, and we hope that you're able to do the same for yourself if you choose to create your own portfolio with the correlation.